Hey guys, today I want to share with you one of my tricks, how I create Christmas decor. And this kind of decor can be an easy and simple gift to your loved ones, to your parents, to your friends. And this will cost almost nothing, but it looks very nice. So let's get on with it. To all that are new to my channel, I'm Lena, and I talk about minimalism, sustainable living, decluttering, and and just the way I live in Russia now. And this is a kind of my journal. So today I want to share with you a small craft. And now I will show you the results, and I will talk you through the process. So these are small decorations, and they can be not so small. They can be like this one, and it looks better in the dark. It glows through because it has Christmas lights. But I'll tell you more in a moment. So this can be easily made to some Christmas tree decorations, or just a Christmas tree itself. And the materials are very cheap. So everything you need is a rope. And here I have some kind of herbal rope. I'll show you it closer. So, and it's very cheap. I think it costs only 50 cents in my local store, in my hardware store. So it's like very cheap. And what you need to do, and also you will need some balloons. And they can be really reusable ones, because you don't need to pop them after that. And also you will need some clay. And I recommend you to have not use any like very 5-second clay, because it can be expensive, and it also it will not help us create very good shapes. And I recommend you just to have very simple clay, like and then just you can buy it alongside this rope. So it's the cheapest clay you find. So, and how you can create these or even this. So on this I can tell you that it has different kind of rope. It's just the leftover yarn. And but I don't recommend this trick. I recommend it only if you need to create this web lace style. But it's very difficult to do, because you have to waste a lot of time on this project. So as you see here, it really has a balloon shape. So I inflated a balloon, and then I put my rope in a can with clay. So if your clay is very thick, I recommend to dilute it with water, maybe a little bit like with warm water. And it's a good idea if your clay can be removed with water as well. So it's just choose non-toxic clay, like the simplest clay possible. Maybe a type of clay which you can restore your pottery with. It would be very well. So just and then when your rope is in clay, you just do this motion all over, like you have a piece of yarn to collect, and you can put this all over your balloon. And then you just let it rest and harden, because you just let your clay harden. And after that, what can you do for this purpose? I just use maybe some leftover glass cans, and I just set it on these cans, and It's very easy, and I think it hardens like maybe in 2 hours or less, so it's a very easy task to do. And after that, you just deflate your balloon. I don't like to pop them. You can, of course, you can pop them with a needle or something sharp, but I just untie the balloon so I can reuse it again. And after that, you can, if you want to do something like that with those Christmas lights, you should maybe leave some hole here. Anyways, it will be left because of your balloon tie. So of course you take the balloon out, the deflated balloon. And also there is a small trick. When you deflate your balloon, please hold it tight, because it can when it detaches from the rope, it can go inside, it can be left inside, and it will be difficult to to scrap it out. So just hold on to your balloon. So, and after that, you can just easily put up any Christmas lights you want. And if you have some Christmas lights without any need of electricity, like without any need of a socket, it's good. It's a good one. But in my case, it's a socket one. So, and so I just plugged it in, and it lights. But in the evening, where it's very low light, or at night, it really looks very magical. And as maybe you can see, so it's very, very, very nice. It looks amazing. Very, very interesting, I think. And in the end, it's a very interesting handmade present that can be a decoration through the whole year round. And to create these kind of shapes, you just need a smaller balloons, as you can see, and it's maybe 10 minutes craft, so it's very, very easy. It looks pretty neat. You can spray it also if you have a spray paint. You can spray it. You can add some glitter to it, as in my case, I just colored it with my leftover nail polish, so it's it's kind of a small decoration. And if you have any ribbon, you can just attach it, or any other decorations. It's very, very easy. So, and to create this kind of Christmas tree style, it's also very easy. All you need is a piece of cardboard. And in order to create this cone shape, I'll show it on a piece of paper, because I've got to take any cardboard with me. So you just create this cone shape, and maybe if you want it to stay attached, just hold it with some, I don't know, some pins, or with a stapler, anything you like. And after that, you can, of course, cut it to the shape, to the cone shape, to make it stay on its own. And after that, you'll do the same. You just put your rope in the clay and just start doing this over and over. You can do a crisscross motion, anything you like. And after that, I just had a leftover plastic ribbon, glitter ribbon, and I just attached it like very, very easily to this to my makeshift Christmas tree. And you can also add some Christmas lights. You can make it bigger, of course. You can make, for example, a big Christmas tree and a small ornaments on it. You can create any style you like, but this is a very, very simple hack. And if you really want to make gifts, make simple gifts, but I encourage you not to buy anything like plasticky, anything that can be thrown easily away after the Christmas is gone, after all the festive season is over. So this was my simple hack to you. I hope you will enjoy this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.